In the manufacturing industry, there's many ways, many methods or processes that can help you to improve your productivity. And one of the methods will be robotic system. And today we're going to review one of the cost-effective robot in the market that is very suitable for the manufacturing. For example, like the automotive, aerospace, food and beverage, and so on. It's the Cobot that we're going to review today, which is the xArm, the most cost-effective and lightweight robot, right? So in a standard package, what you will have is the controller, one robot arm, either is 5-axis, 6-axis, or 7-axis, and you have the signal cable with you and the power cable, right? And the LAN cable for the communication and power cord. Those are the quick setup for robot, and right now we are using Ethernet cable for the communication. What we have here today is the xArm6 with 6 degrees of freedom, payload of 5 kg with the range of 700 mm. Repeativity of this robot arm is 0.1 mm. The body itself is built up by the aluminum and carbon fiber. The controller itself is very small and compact. For the communication protocol, we are using TCP/IP or Modbus. For the communication mode, we are using the Ethernet RS485. Tool itself, we also have the I/O port, whereby they have 2 digital I/O, 2 analog, which is only input, and 1 the RS485. Right after you connected the software with the controller, they'll give some summary of this system. And here on the left hand side is the live control. Blockly is one of the program language. Python recording is one of the feature as well, and we do have setting. So let's look at the live control for the moment. Here basically is the teaching panel, okay, for the robot. So you can move around this, okay. Here actually is moving the speed of the robot while you are doing the teaching. Alright, so let's say you want to back to the 0 positions, and we already have this button here. You just back to the 0 position, and if you would like to program the position with your hand manually, you can just do the manual mode and just open. So right now you can do the teaching by your hand. Okay, so just a quick demo on that. If you want to back to the 0 position, you need to off this and back to the 0 position. So this is a simple and operations. So let's see into the program. So for the program wise, we are using all those block. Okay, it's very simple. Maybe I do a new one, and a new file, you can put it trial fab to 2021. Okay, so for the movement wise, you can just drag and drop, move joy or move up the system, right? Okay, in order to program, we just click on edit. So yeah, this is maybe the first positions. All right, maybe this is the first position that we want, and we click on save, right? So position number 2, and we go to edit again. This may be the position number 2 that I want. Save. Let's say if you would like to check the program, you can just press as move. Okay, to check, right? And in this program, they come with some simple logic as well, whereby you can wait. Okay, maybe before I go for the second point, I want to wait for like 2 seconds. Okay, and maybe some loop conditions that this program should repeat about 5 times or 3 times, and save. So this program actually is done, and you can just run the program. Okay, so it's done for the 3 rounds. When we talk about collaborative robot, one of the features will be the collision detection. Let us demonstrate to you. This is the feature that the robot control will be detected, and it will stop the entire program to protect the operator is safe. Beside the collision detection, the second feature we would like to show will be the recording, right? Okay. With this feature, actually, basically the system is able to record the path and the movement that you have programmed, and it will record it throughout the entire section. Let's see. So now we play back the 18-second program that we have done just now. Basically, those are the quick review of this xArm6. If you found this video is very useful, please share with your friend. And if you would like to know more, please comment below, and we see you next time.